Hello and welcome to this edition of Daily Actives brought to you by Bootleg Macro. I'm Dustin. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why you shouldn't be buying Tesla, and I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can build this exact same thing if you're interested. Looking here on the screen, what we can see is Tesla's chart. Essentially, Tesla has been bouncing around this 200 level. It's essentially hit that in the middle of February, the end of February, then the end of March. It's essentially been rejected from 200. It's fallen down. Maybe we've seen the lowest of the lows for the current times in Tesla at $152, but I wouldn't be shocked if we went a little bit lower just based on how the market's trading. If we look at the volume profile of Tesla at the moment on the daily, it doesn't look very exciting. It's essentially flatlined. The volatility in the volume is incredibly low, and the reason is because everything in the market essentially is trading scared right now. I mean, when we look here, even at the daily trade range for Tesla, what we can see is that it's getting a little bit wider. It's essentially flipping back and forth between bullish and bearish. When you see it do these big spikes like this is the representation of when it flips bullish, and this is when it falls back down, that's representation when it flips bearish. It's currently very bearish right now. It looks like we could potentially go up to $188 or so, and we could go down to 136. Tesla being currently in the middle, I don't know what direction I'm gonna put my money on. Now let's take a look at the Tesla raw data just to get an idea of what it looks like right now. We can see that on this column here of B down at the very bottom, what we have is the price of Tesla. It is in light blue, which means that it's at the lower half of its probable range right now. I do notice that across the board, we have rolling negative signals, at least on the 1 day, 5 day, 15 day, 1 month, 3 month, and 6 month. All of those are negative, which isn't usually a positive thing to see, because look here, when you get your 15 day, you get your 5 day, your 15 day, your 1 month, and your 3 month all rolling. Let's just say you want to pay attention specifically to when the 1 month goes positive. That is usually a good sign, especially if you get a go long on what are these trade signals. And then if you would have essentially taken it until you got this short signal here, which was at 190, so you would have gone long at, it looks like $143, $144, and you would have gotten out at 190. That's the power of having your own process. But this is exactly what I see right now when I look at Tesla. We're on a go short. We have all the way across rolling negative returns. We have, since it looks like the 24th of April, not great. And it looks like we're continuing to essentially weigh down the probability range, so that now the center of this range is going to be getting down to like these 160s, the high 160s. That's a problem, because the high part of this before, in terms of the probability range, used to be in the 180s. So now it's light blue in the 160s. That's not great. You want to see, generally, you'd want to see the red lettering with the white background. That means it's at the top of its range, but it's been a while since we've seen that in Tesla. So this has just essentially been the review that I've had so far. What do you think? Are you long? Are you short? Tell me in the comments below. Would you be interested in learning how to build this exact same model right in front of you in the next 90 minutes? I teach you exactly how to do it. I'm going to show you the conditional formatting. I'm going to show you how to get the data for free. I'm going to show you how to set up your actual columns. And I'm going to show you how to use this to be able to look at any stock you want to with just a type of your fingers. And you don't have to pay for a dime of the data. All you have to do is put in a little bit of your own time to build a tool that you'll have for the rest of your trading career. At the Bootleg Macro Model Building course for all traders, you're never going to have to pay for another service again. You're going to finally be able to create your own analysis. You're going to be able to understand your own independent view of the market without having to rely on charts or indicators that everyone else is using. I'm going to teach you how to build something that is so personalized to your trading style. It'll fit you like a glove, and you'll see the market in a whole new way. Learn how to build your own model and take back control of your trading tools. Make yourself a better trader by investing in the tools you trade with.